When I connect mobile to PC using USB cable, autoplay opens. When I select open device to view files, folder is empty and showing the message this folder is empty. Go to this PC. When I open the mobile device, nothing is showing. Mobile folders are not showing. Instead, this folder is empty message is showing. Solution: after connecting the mobile to PC, select USB file transfer. Now I can see the phone's internal storage and memory card storage. Now I can see the mobile folders in PC. Subscribe.